Buenos días.
Good morning.
¿Cómo estáis?
How are you?
Bueno, gracias por estar, sobre
Thank
todo.
you for being here, most of all.
Bueno, hemos tenido un amanecer
We have
santanderino
had
que,
a
vamos,
wonderful
he recibido
sunrise.
fotos de gente
I
que estaba aquí
received
desde la playa,
pictures
viendo el
of people
amanecer en la
that was
playa.
at the beach
Maravillosas fotos, por
watching
otra
the
parte.
sunrise.
Y luego también
Wonderful
tenemos
pictures,
aquellos que han
and
hecho
now we
el
have
ejercicio
those
ayer, pero
who
vamos,
did
con nota.
the
Entonces, vamos a ver si
exercise with
Julio,
a
por
very
favor,
high grade.
nos pones
I don't know
aquí.
if Julio can show can show some pictures.
Esta es la identificación de
This is
una de las
the
personas
identification of one of
que ha
the persons
tuneado hasta hacer su mejor amigo.
who changed the
Puesto
badge
manos, ojos, nariz,
and has
unas
built
plumas que no se acaban
his
de ver.
best
Bueno, sí,
friend.
por ahí un poco.
You can see the
O sea, que
the
tenemos un
nose
asistente más
feathers.
hoy, que es
So we have
la
another
identificación
member
tuneada
of the
de uno de
audience
vuestros compañeros.
that
No
that
sabemos
it's
dónde podemos llegar.
the improved
Bueno,
badge of one
empezamos el día.
of your colleagues. Okay,
Yo con
we're
un poco
going to
menos de
start.
voz, pero
I'm
llegaremos
I'm a little
al
bit
final.
hoarse, but we'll
de una forma
get
intensa,
to the end.
pero interesante.
It's
¿no?
going
Yo
to be
creo que
very
poco a poco
intense,
vamos
but
avanzando
interesting.
desde el
I
primer
think we
día, entender
are
bien esa
going
relación
forward
entre las artes,
since the
las
first
emociones y
day
la
to understand
creatividad, la
the
importancia de la
relation
emoción y
between
la
the
creatividad.
arts, emotions,
El
and
día de
creativity,
ayer,
the importance of
hablar
emotions
más
in creativity.
sobre
Yesterday we
ámbitos
talked
específicos en trabajo,
about the
la salud,
specific
sobre
environment,
la
health,
experiencia
work,
estética.
the aesthetic
Y hoy vamos
experience,
a ver un
and
poco
today we
más
are going
sobre
to
los
see a little
resultados,
bit
vamos a
more
ir cerrando,
about the
podría
results.
ser
We are
interminable
closing
y
the
vamos a ir
the
cerrando
circle.
hablando
We
ahora
could
mismo del impacto de la
talk years
medición.
end, but
Yo,
we are
si-
going to
si os
talk about the
acordáis, si
impact,
recordáis,
the
el
measurement.
presidente de la
I don't
Fundación
know
Botín,
if you remember
cuando
the
hoy concluyamos,
president of the
volveré a esa
foundation.
línea, hablaba de lo
He
importante
talked
que es
about
medir,
how
lo
important
importante que ha
it's
sido
to
para
measure
siempre,
things
lo importante que ha sido siempre
for
para
in
nosotros
every
medir.
aspect
Entonces
for
hoy vamos a
us.
hablar de ese
And today
impacto,
we are going
y
to
de hecho
talk
lo vamos a
about
hacer con
this
lo que
impact,
nosotros podemos
and we are
contarnos en
going
este caso,
to be talking about
que
it
es
with
qué ha
what we
pasado
the
con
tools
los
we have
programas que se han
with
desarrollado en
the
el propio Centro Botín. Ahora
programs
os voy a
that
contar
have
un
been
poco
developed
muy
at the Botín
rápidamente
Center. I'm going
la
to
cronología
explain
de
you
esto, ¿no?
briefly the chronology of
Pero
this
también a
program.
continuación
And
hablaremos del
afterwards
futuro
we
de
will
los
talk
centros
about
de
the
arte. Es
future
decir, no es
of art centers.
baladí ni es una casualidad
So
que
it's
desde un
not
centro
a
de arte,
coincidence,
desde aquí, estemos hablando de temas
that
tan
we
importantes
are
para
talking
nosotros
from
en
an art
muchos ámbitos de
center
la sociedad.
about
Es decir, no
subjects
hemos
that are
reunido aquí solo
important
a artistas,
for
a
you,
profesionales de las
for
artes,
in every
a
domain of
gente que
society,
trabaja en
for
centros de artes.
artists,
No,
people
aquí tenemos a gente del ámbito de la educación, del ámbito
who work in
laboral, la
education. We
empresa,
have people
del
here
ámbito
from
sanitario,
companies,
y es decir,
from
que nuestra
health
apuesta total es que
sector,
los centros de arte, que el
and
arte
what we
en
want
sí
to do,
mismo, tiene
art
que tener una
centers and
presencia
art
mucho
has to
mayor
be
en
present
toda la sociedad, en toda. Esa es
in
nuestra
the
visión
whole
de futuro, ¿no?
society.
Entonces,
That's
bueno, para
what we want for the
acercarme
future.
a lo que vamos a hablar ahora, el
So
tema de hoy,
to present
vamos a
the
hablar de
subject
esa
of
evaluación, de
today,
ese
we are going
impacto, de cómo
to
podemos
talk about
medir
the impact,
el
the
impacto que
assessment,
tienen
how
las artes
can we measure the
en el
impact of arts
aprendizaje, en el desarrollo de
in
habilidades,
learning,
en el
in the
desarrollo de la
development of
creatividad,
skills,
en
in the
definitiva.
development of creativity.
Nosotros empezamos a medir,
We
es
started
deciros, yo
taking
creo que la Fundación
measurements.
Botín
I think
medía
the
cuando
Botín
yo no estaba
Foundation
aquí, ¿no?
started
Yo puedo decir mi
taking
experiencia desde
the
hace
measurements
23
when I
años,
wasn't
donde
here
siempre
23
medíamos.
years ago.
Al
We
principio no éramos tan
always
capaces
took
de medir
data
de forma ajustada y
and assess the
preguntábamos.
data.
Es decir, cualquier actuación de
We
la
asked about
fundación,
everything,
pero de cualquier
and
fundación.
everything,
Yo creo que
and
cualquier
anything
modelo,
that we
cualquier
did,
institución
and
social
also
pregunta y se
any
interesa por los
institution, any
beneficiarios,
foundation
si aquello que ha
asks
hecho ha servido de algo,
if what
qué
they have
podemos
done
mejorar,
has
qué
been
podemos
useful,
hacer
how can we
para
improve
conseguir
it,
mayor impacto.
how can we have a bigger
Hace
impact.
15 años,
15 years ago, when we started working
with
with emotional intelligence in education, we wanted to measure the impact, and we wanted to have more professional measurement. We wanted to use questionnaires and assessment techniques to see if there was being an impact in the school children, because we were investing a lot of economical resources and a lot of effort, not only from ourselves, also families, teachers, the children themselves. And when we had the necessary tools, and when we had the resources, we used them, and when we didn't have the resources, we create them, and we created the DFA and the DFB, which are measurement tools. During those times, there was a lot of collaboration from people who believed in this. creativeness. And I'm very headstrong. So I persevered. We talked with University of Malaga, with the University of Cantabria, and they want now to use these tests to measure these abilities. This was 15 years ago, and 6 years ago, the evolution when we were started thinking about opening the Botín Center, and we talked with Yale University. We wanted to create a model that said this arts center that has a social vision needs to have an impact, and we need to know what it is. We created certain models regarding the development of creativity and emotional intelligence, and we created also courses, activities that we could carry out here and that we could use to measure the impact on creative activities, the impact on the people that were performing these courses and these activities. We designed different courses for professionals, for children, for families, and for adults. We implemented a pilot when the center wasn't built, and we applied other pilot with a control group to see the impact on the experimental group. And now we're going to see the results with Jessica Hoffman. Dr. Jessica Hoffman is an associate research scientist at the Yale Center for Emotional Intelligence and a licensed clinical psychologist. She has been working a lot with us, not only in the impact of the test, but on the development of the test with Sorana Isevich. And it's really a pleasure to have you here today and have the opportunity to having her telling you the impact of arts in the people that participated in these courses. And 2 years ago, we realized that we couldn't measure the impact of the Botín Center individually, because our mission is to develop creativity in society, the creativity that creates wealth. During these past days, it has been wonderful to listen. Yesterday, for example, when we heard Giovanni and Vlad, when they said that the creative fact doesn't have an individual impact. Through the years, it can become a social impact. So each one of us, in the end, society, it's not something ethereal. Society, it's all of us. Us here now represent society, and each one of us will have an impact on the society in the future. And 2 years ago, when we opened, the center opened, we said, okay, we have the courses and we are going to measure the impact. But what's going to happen with the people, with the society, with the users of the Botín Center, those who receive the impact of the Botín Center? Not because they come to a course, but because they come here to walk around, to listen to a concert, to visit an exhibition, they take a part in a workshop. It's a path of their own creativity that they create themselves through what the center offers. And we started collaboration with IE Business School, and we counted it with Patricia Cabaldon, who is an associate professor of economic environment at IE Business School, and she has developed her research around the economical and social impact of leisure time expenditure in households and the role of women in economy. When we talked with her and with the Institute, they understood perfectly. She will tell you later what we wanted to do, and it wasn't an easy task. I have to insist on this. Everything that we have been seeing in these 2 days are very new. There aren't much research done about it. In some cases, yes, but we need more time and we need to keep persevering. Patricia is going to talk about how we have designed a system to see the impact of the Botín Center in the users of the Botín Center, in the visitors of the Botín Center, the people that we control, or the people we have a bigger relationship with, the people from Cantabria and Santander who have the cards, and the friends of the center who have a steady, a long-term relationship with the center, which are easier to measure. I'm not going to talk any further. We're going to see these visions, and we have the last third vision. that we will see on Monday. We are going to rest during the weekend, but on Monday we will start talking with Yale and with the IE Business School about knowing what is the impact of the Botín Center at a macro level, not only for the users, the visitors, but these people that come here and go back to their work and they are more creative and go back to school or go back to their families and are more creative. They are going to have an impact, and we need to have indicators, and we will start on Monday and we will finish probably in 15 years, and I hope to see you, everyone here in 50 years, and see the trend created by an art center in a community, which is what matters, not only the Botín Center also, but the important thing is the impact of art in society. Thank you very much to both of you. I give you the floor, and afterwards we'll listen to some questions.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jessica Hoffman. Thank you so much to our organizers. You've heard a bit about the history over the last few days, but I started this journey in 2013 as a postdoctoral fellow with Sorana at Yale University, and on my first day at work was when I heard about the exciting project that I was going to get to be a part of. And I have to say it was maybe the most fascinating and creative, but also maybe most open-ended and daunting postdoc project, among others, to work with the Botín Foundation to build, develop, and test a set of courses that could be used here at the center, at the Art Center, to help build both emotional intelligence skills and creativity skills through engagement with the arts, with the visual arts. And this was a big project, but a really fun one, and for a creativity researcher, an opportunity to test my own creativity. We've heard a lot over the last 2 days about this connection between emotion skills, creativity skills, and the arts. I come at it from the perspective of, I'm at the Center for Emotional Intelligence, and so I really think about how emotion skills, the ability to use your emotions, to regulate your emotions, to understand what your emotions mean as information, can feed into the kind of creative process and the kind of art that you create. But I also believe in the flip side, which is that the engagement in art and the engagement in thinking creatively builds your emotion skills. I'm a clinical psychologist by training. I work with children and families. And I found that in engaging in the arts, you could teach children things like persistence, how to handle critical feedback, how to overcome hurdles, how to be brave and express themselves in new and unconventional ways, how to take risks. So I really think that these three pieces fit together nicely. I will mention that on this kind of bold project that we set off on, one of the things that I think makes this really special is it's the first time that the arts were used to teach both creativity and emotional intelligence at the same time. So there are lots and lots of research on creativity in the arts. There's some research on creativity and emotional intelligence, but putting all three together in one was kind of a new frontier. And the other piece of it that made it quite bold and risky was that instead of reaching out to potentially people who already work in art centers or who know art history well, the Botín Foundation reached out to psychologists to do this. And so I think we broke some art center rules along the way. For example, we had the children do scavenger hunts in the gallery, and I remember calls with Fatima saying, "Can we let the kids loose? Can we let them go? Is that going to be against the rules?" And then for the adolescents, I said it'd be really nice if they could use their phones and take selfies. How do you feel about that? And so we did some things that were different, and we were not sure that it would work. We were not sure that it would work starting out, and so I'm really happy to be here many years later to share with you the fabulous things that we found. And spoiler alert, it did work in many ways that we're very excited about. So we come from, I mentioned we wanted to build both emotional intelligence skills and creativity skills, and I want to be specific about what that means. So at the Center for Emotional Intelligence, we ascribe to the ability model of emotional intelligence, which is Peter Salovey, who's now the president of Yale, and his colleague Jack Mayer, the model that they proposed in 1990 and refined in 1997 that says there are 4 pieces to your emotional intelligence, each of which is a skill that you can learn, you can get better at. It can be taught through practice and training. And those are these 4 that I have over here in the red circles. The first is perceiving emotions. That means being able to read people's facial expressions, being able to understand what's going on in your body, right? I used to work with little kids in therapy, and I asked a little boy, maybe 5 years old one time, how do you know when you're getting mad? And he said, 'cause my fist goes like this, right? So that's exactly that's good. That's good to know about yourself, right? So the second one is using your emotions. How do you channel your emotions into your thinking, and in this case, into your creative thinking, right? How can you take emotions, which are just purely information? Emotions are information about your environment. It's one piece that you can use to help your decision making. This might be new to some people, right? That emotions are not irrational. Emotions don't make you illogical. If you have emotional intelligence, your emotions become more information that help you make better decisions, that actually can guide your thinking in useful ways. The third is understanding. This really has to do with emotion vocabulary. The more emotion words you know and understand what causes those feelings, the more that information is going to benefit you. So, do you know the difference between disappointment and anger, for example? They both have to do maybe with not getting what you want or with a blocked goal, but only anger has an injustice or an unfairness that disappointment doesn't have, right? And that causes anger to be a higher energy feeling than disappointment. And this is something you can teach little kids, right? Babies start out, they only know that they feel good or they feel bad. And then they know that they feel happy or sad. And then somewhere along the way, that turns into anger versus disappointment versus disgust versus embarrassment. Right? You start to be more granular. And the more words you know, the more likely you are to be able to effectively regulate your emotions, right? Because if you misdiagnose how you feel, then how are you possibly going to pick an effective regulation strategy? And regulating emotions doesn't just mean getting rid of unpleasant feelings, especially in creativity research and in emotional intelligence research. Regulating includes potentially creating, initiating feelings that will help you in your work. Those might be positive feelings if you're brainstorming or trying to come up with silly or new ideas, but it might mean conjuring up unpleasant feelings, purposely stepping into nostalgia, right, in order to create a poem or draw a painting. And on the creativity side, we broke down what we wanted to address in these courses into 3 categories. The first is problem construction. So many times in creativity, we jump directly to the second one, idea generation. We think creativity is coming up with ideas or inventing something new. But problem construction is a huge piece of this, and we heard quite a bit about this from Ronnie Ryder-Pullman yesterday. Right? But the way that you state the problem, the way that you formulate the challenge, the question, makes a huge difference. The example I love to use when I work with adolescents is imagine that there was a mouse in my basement. And I ask the question, how do I get this mouse out of my basement? Right? Then we could generate ideas. But what if I changed the question and I said, how do I tell my cat that there's a mouse in the basement? Well, now we get a different set of answers. And if I change the question again to, how do I keep future mice out of my house? Well, now we come up with another set of answers, all solving the same problem, right? That mice end up in my basement. But the way we formulate the question can change our answer. So spending some time really considering your problem or your challenge is step 1. And we wanted to help people get better at doing that. Change their attitude around jumping directly to a solution without spending some time thinking about all the pieces of their challenge. Idea generation, coming up with lots of ideas. The more ideas you come up with, the more likely that you'll hit on one that's really great. Right? So we want to help people not go with their first idea, right? It's Father's Day. What are you going to get your dad? Let's not get him a tie. Let's get him something else this year, right? What's the second idea? What's the third idea? And then finally, idea evaluation. Of the ideas you picked, what's the one that you're going to go with? Which is the one that's the most feasible, the most likely to work within the resources that you have available, that's going to be doable on the time constraints that you have? So we can help people to come up with rubrics and think through what are all the pieces that go into picking from the ideas that you've created. So these are the skills that we wanted to work on with people. And we built 4 different courses. We built a 6 sessions over 3 weeks actually, because it was twice a week, course for children that focused on teaching them a different emotion each week. We did happy, sad, angry, scared, calm, and then the final week they did kind of an art show of all of their work. And each week they learned about the emotion, they identified art within the gallery that represented that emotion to them. They learned about techniques that the artists may have used to convey that emotion, and then they had their own art-making session. And we asked them to plan very carefully before they started, so that problem finding, don't pick the first idea you have, to create something, right? To pick which idea they wanted to do, and then actually they got to create their own art. For the adolescents, as I mentioned, we used photography, and we used a theme of identity development. Who am I? Who do I want to be? How do other people see me? And they also went through a series of sessions in which they created self-portraits, but we asked them in 1 week to do metaphor and symbolism. We asked them 1 week to think about complex emotions that they experience. So when you combine multiple feelings, or you're feeling 2 things at once, I'm both excited to be here and curious what's happening at home, and anticipating my trip tomorrow, right back to the United States. How can all of that live in one person, and how could I represent that in art? For our adults, we had an 8-session course in which we asked them to be highly reflective and introspective. So we had them do what we called sustained observation, looking at a piece of art for 15 minutes sometimes, which is much longer than the 27 seconds that we heard about from Pablo the other day. So, and to pay attention to their emotional journey while they were looking at the same piece of art for this long period of time. So maybe you walked up to it out of interest or curiosity, and then a couple minutes in, you're thinking, what is the facilitator making me do? This is so boring, right? Then you notice a detail, and that kind of changes how you feel. And then we would ask them to use different perspectives. Lie down on the floor and look up at this piece of art. Stand very far back, stand very close, and take other perspectives. What would an ant crawling across this photograph, what would that ant's experience be, right? So, and on all the time tracking their feelings. And then finally, we created a family workshop in which families would come together. And in this, the main goal were 2. One was to show family members that the other members of their family are creative, everyday creativity, cooking a meal a little bit different, taking a different route home, right? And to give each other credit for being creative and having creative thoughts. And then the other was to help them break boundaries around what they think creativity is or should be. So we were trying to help them notice opportunities for creativity where they may not have noticed them before. And I'll tell you a little bit more, I'll give you an example of that in a minute. So this was our process. As I said, it began in 2013, and as Fatima mentioned, we piloted both a child and adult workshop. We were not sure what this kind of bold new mission was going to result in, and we were happy to find some really fabulous results. So we went ahead and we developed the family and the adolescent courses as well. And upon completing pilots of all 4 of those, which have all since been published, we completed experimental designs with the child and adult course, in which we did have random assignment, we had a control group, and we used more rigorous measures of ability, of creativity, and of emotional intelligence. So to give you kind of a sense of what we did with the adults, I kind of already gave you a sense, and of course you would never see this kind of art. But this is one of the ones that I like to use for perspective taking, right? Where we would ask people to imagine that they were in the painting. What would it sound like? What would it smell like? What would you be able to feel? What would you hear? And then to imagine right? That you were looking at it from the side, or that you could dive into it and live in that world for a while. So we were asking the adults to really track their emotions as they went through this process. Towards the end of the course, we asked people to start picking art in the Art Center that they found challenging, and to talk about what it was that they found challenging about it as they became more of a cohesive group and could share more personally. And we would ask them to pick something they found challenging. So for example, there was a painting that was these gates, not a painting, it was a series of photographs, but they were these gates, and they all kind of had security cameras and keep out and beware of the dog signs. And when I saw it, I thought, it's just so sad that we're not connected as a society, that we're mistrustful of each other, that we have to have these gates in front of our homes and security cameras. And I picked that as my challenge. Then we would ask people to find another piece of art that represented their optimal outcome. Skip the solution for now and jump to your outcome. And so for me, there was a photograph of a squirrel's tail in kind of a green background, and I thought, wouldn't it be great if we were out in nature more, connected to each other? And then we would ask the adults to come up with the solution that goes in the middle. So what's your solution? Here's the problem that's bothering you. Here's the outcome that you would love. What goes in the middle? So do you see how we're using emotions to teach creative problem solving? So then in the middle for me was, then I'm going to start taking my family on walks on the weekend, because it's a great time to have long, deep conversations while we're all moving. Right? And that was my connection. So we asked the adults to start to do this kind of thing. We had the added goal, not just of teaching emotion skills and creativity skills, but one more goal, which was to show people how an art center can become a place that you visit frequently, that you come to reflect, that you come to solve problems. It's not a day trip that you come to once and you spend the whole day. It's not just a tourist attraction. If there's something that's on your mind, you can come for 15 minutes, 20 minutes on a break and engage in this kind of problem solving and thoughtful reflection. So we wanted to make sure that was a takeaway for them. What we found from the adult pilot was what I have up here. In terms of what they reported as the most useful takeaways, the first was this idea that we used a mood meter, which is really just kind of a graph that helps you to figure out where you are in terms of your energy level and your thoughts as pleasant or unpleasant. So that's what they're referring to here when they say the mood meter. But basically the ability to be able to describe my mood in more nuance, in a more granular way, was one of the things they found most useful, which is good. That's what we were going for, right? And then the association of real problems with possible solutions. So again, they were able to start this problem-solving process through the art and through realizing that you could get better at that with practice. And then extrapolating art to personal life. So they were getting that takeaway too, right? So I hope that we have to do it as a study, but I would love to see if people now don't find the art center intimidating, right? I think one of the reasons people stand in front of a painting for 15 seconds or 20 seconds is they're not quite sure how to engage with it. And so my hope is that we have now shown people something you can do while you're standing there. What can you do? Well, you can think about how it relates to your life. You can think about whether it represents an issue for you or an optimal solution. We asked them about their changes in attitudes. And I don't want to go through every one, but I'll show you here that they reported being better at identifying their feelings accurately, right? They said that they believe that is something that you can get better at. They believe that unpleasant emotions are useful. So as an emotional intelligence researcher, that was very important to me, that we understand the benefit of unpleasant emotion, that dissatisfaction or frustration is a sign that there's an opportunity to be creative. Right? Not emotions to be gotten rid of or pushed aside or suppressed, but seen as information that there's an opportunity to be creative. They also believe that creativity is something you can get better at. That was good, right? Because people sometimes think, I either am creative or I'm not creative, and we wanted to get rid of that myth. They also believe that looking at artwork can help you learn about yourself. So we were achieving our goals. For the children, as I mentioned, we had them go through a series of different emotions, learning about the definition of that word and what it might look like in art, and then creating their own art. And of course, their answers are a little shorter because they were 6 to 9 years old, but they said how to express myself and to know how others are feeling. So they felt like they were getting better at emotional intelligence, right? They learned that your first idea is not your most original. That was our big takeaway for them. So we were happy to see that come up in the results. And the last one is my favorite, right? she realized that she liked art. She didn't even know it. So hooray, we have a new art fan in the club now. And then we did give the children a short test of their ability to use emotions to facilitate their creative thinking, and we did find a significant change before and after engaging in our course. So that was very promising. I put in this picture of Fatima, and David, who's here somewhere too, is in the background of this picture. This was from when we were learning all about what the adolescent course was going to be, and the idea of photographs. I wanted to mention one of the exercises we had the teenagers do was to take a picture of themselves that they thought represented a piece of their personality that they were proud of. And then we had three of their partners, three of the other people in the session, take pictures of them that represented how they saw them and give them feedback on, well, I took this picture of your hair because I think that your hair is beautiful and one of your best features, and I took this picture of your feet because I know that you love to run, or whatever it was. And they would get this feedback, and then they had to take one more picture of themselves, integrating the feedback that they had gotten from others. So we were trying to help them work on this identity development and perspective taking. Excuse me. And from the adolescent course, the most useful concepts they reported were these, right? Learning to understand your problems through art, to be creative without limits, and to see things from different perspectives. And one person said that their favorite part was the writing their emotions in a journal. We did have them journal every week, and they found that helpful. So I hope that we're also building new emotion regulation skills for people who had not known that that was something that they found calming or rewarding before. They also reported changes in their attitudes. These are all significant. So significant differences from before and after engaging in the course, right? When you do something creative, it's fine to change directions or techniques partway through. This was a big one for me because there's so much in the literature around grit and persistence and pushing through, and it's not always the case. Sometimes you need to recognize when a certain technique is not working for you and that it's okay to switch. It's okay to change directions or try a new strategy. So I was very happy to see them take away that. Again, this idea that creativity is something you either have or you don't. They were less likely to believe that afterwards, which is fabulous. And I'm good at noticing when my thoughts and feelings when I'm observing a piece of art. So again, they were recognizing that art can be a way to be more reflective and to get better at this emotional intelligence component. So I mentioned that after we had done all of these pilot studies, we did do experiments with the adult and child workshop. And I didn't want to have way too many numbers, so what I'll tell you is that for the adults, what we found, we did a before and after and 2-month follow-up, because we want to make sure that the things that they learned and the new practices that they had gained, they were continuing to use in their life. For the adults, their emotional intelligence increased after the course compared to the group that did not get the course, and it continued to go up at follow-up. The same was true for the originality of their ideas in both problem finding and in idea generation. So they had really lovely effects after the course, and they continued to get better at those skills 2 months out. The same was not true for the children. The children saw really lovely effects from before to after, but then in many cases, their skills returned to baseline at 2-month follow-up. And this is a pattern I've seen this in studies of play, I've seen this in studies of theater and acting. And so I think what it tells us is that a standalone course, if not supplemented with the messaging that's being received at home and at school, then the effects with the children don't last. We've got to incorporate the families, because otherwise they learn that this is a space where you can be creative, but in all the rest, right, pieces of your life, you're not receiving that same message, your effects won't stick. And so we have this family course in which we really tried to help people break through this idea of recognizing that creativity can exist everywhere and recognizing in each other creative potential. And so what we did was every week we had in the family course, every week we had a task that was basically a trick where we would give them a set of instructions that were pretty ambiguous, and then we would call them out on all the ways that they had limited their own creativity. So the first week, this is what we opened with. We said, and I've done this in family therapy sessions as well, but we said, you'll work as a family to create a piece of art. We'll take turns, right? Each turn will get shorter. There are 4 turns that are a minute, 4 turns that are 30 seconds, and 4 turns that are 10 seconds. Ready, go. And what happens is they've got a big piece of paper, and each family member would pick up a marker, and they would take turns, one at a time, around the circle. They usually kept the same color the whole time. Some families don't even add to each other's parts. It's all totally separate. And you end up with something super not creative, like this. So then we would say to them, oh, did we say that the turns had to be one person at a time? No. Right? Did we say that you had to keep the same color the whole time? No. Right? Try again. Right? So now they're like, all right, we're going to do the most creative thing we can think of. Right? And you get something, like this. There were variants, but they would try really hard to do something more creative. And then we would say, did anyone use the back side of your paper? Did anyone tear the paper or fold the paper? And it was like, shoot. We thought we were being super creative. So we would try again. And eventually, 4 or 5 iterations of this, you would start to get things that looked more like this or like this, right? Where they would notice all the ways that they had limited the task. We had not limited the task. The instructions I've left them up there, are quite open, right? And they were limiting it themselves. And every week we had one like this. We had one that was around dance and movement, where there were very few rules and people added their own rules. We had one around singing and writing, same thing. We didn't have rules, the people added the rules, and we were trying to train them to notice when they could be creative. And afterwards, they reported similar findings, right? The biggest one for me is recognizing the creative potential in each other, which I think is just fabulous as a family. And so with that, I will leave you with some of the art that the children made in the Angry Sculpture Week. And thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Jessica. Fantastic presentation. Well, my name is Patricia, and uy, perdón, que hablamos en español.
No.
Perdón.
I'm sorry, I have to speak in Spanish.
Hablamos en español.
Yeah, I speak in Spanish.
Así no hace falta tanta traducción.
So,
mi nombre es Patricia.
My name
Gracias,
is Patricia.
Jessica.
Thank you, Jessica.
Bueno, lo que...
Okay.
Os quería dar un apunte antes de nada. Yo soy
Make a
economista
comment before anything. I am an economist.
y para mí lo que no se mide no
And for
existe.
me, what can be measured doesn't
Entonces, este
exist.
proyecto parte de ahí.
And therefore, this
Parte de que
project has
queremos
this
saber cuál es
starting
el
point.
impacto,
We
o la
want to know
Fundación Botín
the
habla con el
impact,
Instituto de Empresa,
or
con la
Botín
Fundación Instituto de
Foundation
Empresa, y nos
contacts
preguntan cómo
Fundación
podemos medir
Instituto
cuál
de
es el
Empresa
impacto
and ask
social
how can
global
we
que tiene el
measure
centro
the social
durante el
global
último
impact
año,
of the
¿no?
center during the
¿Cómo
last
podemos
year.
¿Cómo podemos
How
saber
can
para
we
medir cuál es el impacto que estamos
know
teniendo? Ya
what is
sabemos
the
cuál es el
impact we're
impacto,
having?
o sabemos de
We
alguna
know,
manera
or
cuál es el
somewhat
impacto que
we
tenemos
know
a nivel
the
individual. Intentemos
individual
saber qué
impact.
pasa a nivel
Let
más
us
colectivo,
know
¿no? Cómo estamos
what happens at a
interaccionando
collective
con
level,
nuestros visitantes.
how we are
Bueno,
interacting with our
entonces, en ese
visitors.
momento
At that time,
empezamos a trabajar,
we
¿no?
started to
Y
work.
partimos de una premisa
started from
que Bourdieu ya la
an
adelantó en su
assumption
momento, ¿no?
that
Hace
Bourdieu
falta tener
already
contacto
mentioned.
con el centro.
We
Es
need
decir,
to be
el
in touch
centro de
with the
arte se
center.
convierte en un
The Art
catalizador
Center is a
de la
catalyzer
experiencia artística,
of the
de
artistic
catalizador del cambio
experience.
personal, del
Is a
cambio en la creatividad en este caso,
catalyzer
pero
of the
también en muchos
personality
otros
change,
cambios a nivel personal.
but also of many other changes.
Esta referencia de Bourdieu es
This
esencial, ¿no?
reference
Un
from
adulto no entrará
Bourdieu
nunca
is
en un museo
important. An
si no lo ha
adult
hecho
will never
antes
get
alguna vez
into a
como
museum
niño, ¿verdad?
if he or she
El Centro
never
Botín,
went
sabéis cuando
as
empieza,
a child
¿verdad?
to a
Empieza a
museum.
trabajar
You know that
a
Centro
partir de
Botín
junio 2017.
was opened in June
Entonces tenemos
2017.
una
And
forma experimental,
have-
perdonad un segundo,
Excuse
una
me for
manera
a sec.
experimental de
We have
trabajar
experimental
con
way
el Centro Botín porque
of
tenemos un
working
año
with
prácticamente
Botín
desde
Center.
el momento en
We
el que
have
empezamos
one
a
year
saber
since
que queríamos
we
hacer
knew
este tipo de
what
análisis, disponíamos de un año de
analysis we
trabajo
had
del
to do.
Centro
We had
Botín para poder
just
ver
one
cómo
year
habían cambiado
to get to know
la perspectiva
the
de sus
change,
visitantes, ¿no?
That happened
La
among
perspectiva
the
de sus
Centro Botín
visitantes, o esto de lo que
visitors.
estamos hablando, ya es algo que el Centro
And
Botín
this
lleva,
is something
está muy
that the
interiorizado.
Centro
Ya lo comentaba
Botín
antes Fátima,
is
pero
very
la idea
internalized in
del
it.
Centro Botín
The
es
idea
no solamente
of the
servir
center is
como
not only
expositor,
to
no
be an
solamente
exhibition
servir
space,
como
is
una
not
parte del
only
proceso creativo,
to be
sino
part of
su
the
función
creative
esencial
process,
es
but the essential
cambiar la vida,
role
cambiar la
is to
creatividad de las
change
personas
the
que
life,
pasan por
to
el centro
change
de
the
arte,
creativity of people that
aumentar su creatividad tanto en la vida
to
cotidiana
increase
como en
their
la vida
creativity
profesional, es decir,
in their
intentar cambiar la
professional
vida
and daily life. That is
de
to
la gente
say,
que lo
to
visita.
try to change people's lives.
Bueno, hay mucha literatura
There is a
alrededor
lot of
del impacto
literature
social
about the social
que pueden
impact
tener los centros de arte o del impacto
of
social
art
que tiene la
centers or
cultura
the social
en
impact
cualquiera de
of
nosotros.
culture in any of us.
Throsby, que es
Throsby,
el maestro de la economía
that
de
is
la
the
cultura,
master
ya habló
of
de
the
que el valor
economy of culture,
cultural
said that
no
the cultural
solamente,
value
no solamente es estético,
is
simbólico,
not only
espiritual, histórico,
aesthetic,
sino también
symbolic,
social,
spiritual, but
¿verdad?
also social.
Entonces vamos a empezar,
So,
en este momento empezamos a pensar en
then
creatividad
we
o empezamos a
started to
pensar en
think
este cambio
about
en la creatividad,
creativity,
no solamente como un cambio en la
not
persona,
only as a change
sino
in
también un cambio en la potencialidad
individuals, but also as a
de esta
change
creatividad, es decir, en el
in the
entorno en el que rodea esta creatividad, no solamente
environment
cómo
that
te ha
surrounds this
cambiado tu manera de
creativity.
hacer las
It's not
cosas,
only how
sino también
it
cómo ha cambiado el
changed
entorno para que tú te
us
sientas
individually,
bien
but
al poder
how the
cambiar las cosas.
environment has also changed so that we feel better and
Entonces,
we can go on
empezamos
changing
a
things.
trabajar con la
So we
premisa
started with the
con la premisa de que
assumption
la experiencia cultural
that the cultural experience
es una experiencia que crece con el
grows,
uso, es decir, la creatividad,
as
la
is being
satisfacción,
used. Creativity,
el cambio que se hace
satisfaction,
vital en una
the
persona cuando pasa
vital
por un
change
centro de arte
in
es algo
an
que
individual
evoluciona
after going to
con el número de
art center.
visitas a ese centro
It
de arte,
evolves
¿no?
with the number
Sobre
of
todo cuando el
visits
centro de arte
to
busca
the
exactamente ese
center,
cambio, ¿verdad? Como es el caso
especially
del
when the
Centro
center
Bueno,
is looking for
de
this
alguna
change.
manera, bueno,
So,
incluso Gary Becker, que fue
Gary
premio Nobel de
Becker,
Economía en el año 92, hizo un estudio
Economy
sobre cómo la
Nobel
música
Prize. He made
con
a study
Stigler, hizo un
together
estudio
with
sobre cómo la
Stigler, but
música cambiaba la
how music
percepción
could change
o cambiaba el
perception
disfrute cada
or
vez
the
que la gente
enjoyment
disfrutaba de esa
each
cada vez que la
time
gente
people
se
were
exponía
listening
a escuchar más música. Vamos a dejarlo
to
ahí.
more and more music.
Entonces, ellos le llaman, en
They
español suena un poco
call it
raro, en
in
inglés
Spanish
suena
is a
bastante
bit
mejor,
awkward,
ellos le llaman la dicción racional, la teoría
rational
de la
diction
dicción racional. Lo que
theory.
ellos quieren decir es
What they
que
want to say
hay determinados
is that
consumos,
there are
determinados
certain
productos, sobre todo los
products or
artísticos, en
consumptions,
los
especially
que
artistic ones,
crece la
where
satisfacción
satisfaction
con
grows.
su consumo. Y además se
as
convierten en algo
they are being
relativamente adictivo,
consumed,
porque
and they
cuanto
become
más lo
somewhat
consumimos,
addictive.
más sabemos que
The
nos va a
more
gustar
we
el
consume
siguiente,
it,
más vamos
we
a
know that
disfrutar.
we're
Con lo
going to
cual,
like the
cuanto
next one
más
more.
participemos
So
de
the
esas
more we
actividades, más lo
participate in
vamos a
those
sentir. Ellos
activities,
utilizaban un ejemplo
we
muy
will
interesante que es
feel
ir a la
more
ópera.
joy.
Ir a la
An
ópera
interesting
la
example
primera
is going to the
vez
opera.
es una,
Going to the
una
opera for the
experiencia
first
dura,
time
¿no?
is a hard experience.
Difícil
It's
de
difficult.
apreciar todo,
It's difficult
todo
to
lo maravilloso que tiene la ópera la primera
enjoy
vez.
of everything
Sin
that is
embargo,
beautiful of the
la
opera.
segunda, la tercera,
But
la
the
cuarta,
second, the third, the
la cuarta
fourth
vez que vas a la ópera es verdad
time
que
you
no
go,
solamente tu
it's true
satisfacción
that
crece
not
mucho,
only your
sino que
satisfaction
además las
grows,
sensaciones que te da
but
la
the
ópera, las
feelings
sensaciones que te da
you
poder
get
asistir a ese
from being
espectáculo
able to
cambia tu manera de
attend to
ver las
this
cosas.
show
Otros autores han
changes
llamado
your way of
esto
seeing things.
la teoría del
Other authors call
aprendizaje
this the
del aprendizaje del consumo
theory
cultural,
of
porque es muy
cultural
característico de los
consumption
bienes
learning
culturales.
theory.
Levi Garboa y Montmarquet ya lo hicieron también
Levi
con la
Garboa
experiencia de
and
ir al
Montmarquet
teatro. La
also
primera vez
analyzed it
está
with the experience of
difícil,
going to the
conforme se va
theater.
aumentando en el
The
tiempo,
first time
aumenta
is
no
difficult,
solamente la
but
satisfacción, sino
with
también
time,
la
not
posibilidad
only
de disfrutarlo más.
satisfaction
Es como que de
increases,
alguna
but the
manera
possibility to get more
los
pleasure.
bienes culturales o la
So,
exposición a la cultura
cultural goods or
hace
being
que se
exposed
genere
to
un capital
culture
cultural propio
makes
y eso hace que
you
te permita
have your
disfrutar mucho
own
más en el futuro.
cultural capital.
Entonces partimos de aquí, ¿no?
So
Partimos
this
de
is
que
the
el
starting point.
impacto social
The social
va a estar
impact
muy determinado
is
por
going
las
to be
veces que vengan a
determined by the
ver
number of times
exposiciones al Centro
that
Botín, las
people
veces
come
que
to
vengan
see
a participar
exhibitions
de los cursos,
to
las
the
veces que
Centro
vengan a
Botín
ver
or
o
participate
vengan a
in
participar de
seminars
cualquiera de las
or
actividades
courses
del
or
centro.
any of the
Esa es la
activities.
premisa de la que partimos,
This is
¿no?
our
Con lo cual, la
assumption.
creatividad social o la
social
el cambio que
creativity
vamos a ver en
or
los
the
participantes
change that we'll see
probablemente,
in participants
os puedo
or
ya adelantar que
visitors.
sí,
I
viene
can
muy
say yes,
determinado por el
is
número de veces
determined
que
by the
vengan al
number
Centro
of
Botín y
times
las
they come
actividades
to
en
the
las que
center
participan.
and the number of activities they participate in.
¿Cómo hemos intentado medir?
How have we tried
Bueno,
to
antes de que vaya para allá,
measure?
fijaos,
Before going
lo que
to
hicimos
the
en la
next
encuesta,
slide,
porque lo que hicimos
there
fue
was a
lanzar una encuesta que
survey.
os voy a contar luego después.
I will
Lo que hacemos en la
introduce it
encuesta es
later on,
que
but
un lado
we
de la
had a
encuesta
survey.
busca
On
saber
one side,
cuántas
the
veces han
idea is to
participado en
look
actividades
for how many
culturales
times
y otra parte de
did
la
they
encuesta busca
participated
saber
in
cuál es el
cultural
impacto
activities,
social.
and the
De
other
manera que podríamos
part
trazar
is looking for social impact.
esta curva
So we
azul
can have
a
this
través de los
blue
datos que
curve
obtenemos a través de
with
la
the
encuesta,
data
¿no?
that comes from the survey.
¿Cómo medimos este impacto
How
social?
do we assess the social
Bueno,
impact?
los reyes de la medición en este campo
Now,
son sobre
the
todo los
experts
estudios que se han
in
hecho en Reino
measurement
Unido.
are
Reino Unido está muy
studies
habituado a
in
hacer este tipo de estudios
United
sociales
Kingdom. They are very used to
mucho más
conduct this type of
pequeños,
social
es decir,
studies,
este es
smaller
un estudio
ones.
muy pionero
This
porque
is
la
a
evaluación de
pioneer
estudios
study.
en Reino
The
Unido se
evaluation
hace para actividades
in
muy
United
concretas, se ha
States
hecho
is
para
by
grupos
very
bastante
specific
más pequeños.
activities for smaller groups.
Os podría decir que este estudio es totalmente pionero, no solamente en la manera de afrontar, la manera de medir, sino también probablemente los resultados que vais a ver a continuación. ¿Cómo hemos intentado medir? Pues por un lado queremos saber cuál es el desarrollo personal, es decir, cómo sienten los participantes de las actividades en el Centro Botín, cómo sienten el cambio, cómo sienten si ellos han participado, si ellos quieren venir más veces, si se sienten mejor, si mejoran su actividad. La parte de cohesión social, sobre todo es si han hecho amigos, cuando han venido al centro se han sentido bien, han hecho amigos, consideran que esto ha mejorado su vida social. Por otro lado, aspectos de orgullo, orgullo local, orgullo de ciudad.
Feeling proud of your city.
¿Qué cambia el Centro Botín en tu manera de sentirte con la ciudad?
Changed in the way you relate to the city. What Centro Botín made so that every time you come here, you feel better. And I can tell you that this is the case. They feel a sense of belonging to Santander. They feel really proud of Santander. And then health and well-being, to feel better, makes you in the right, puts you in the right place to be more creative and generate new ideas. Those are all the questions
planteamos cuando diseñamos el estudio.
Present in the study.
¿Cuál es el impacto que estamos viendo en estas actividades? ¿Qué determina este impacto? Que normalmente viene determinado por el número de veces que han participado. ¿Cuál es la influencia en la creatividad social? Y mucho más interesante también que es si distintas actividades tienen distintos impactos, si tenemos que focalizarnos en alguno, sobre cuál nos focalizamos, ¿no? ¿Cómo podemos maximizar el impacto? Me encanta ver los teléfonos móviles.
I'd like to see your mobile phones.
Me encantaría poderos pasaros la
I wish
presentación.
I could
muchas gracias.
give you the
Entonces, el Centro
presentation
Botín ya
right
tiene
now, but I
diseñado su
appreciate you
estructura
taking
de
photographs of
actividades, ya
this.
sabe, pues muchos de los que
We
nos ha
know
contado
that there are
Jessica, por
different
ejemplo, los
activities at
cursos,
Centro
los
Botín,
talleres,
courses,
las
workshops,
visitas, los espectáculos, los
visits,
conciertos,
shows,
exposiciones
concerts,
y exposiciones
exhibitions,
abiertas,
and
¿verdad?
open exhibitions.
Es decir, muchísimas
Or
actividades para
outdoor
las que podemos
exhibitions.
saber
So there are many
quién
activities,
participa,
and
cuándo
we
ha
can know
participado,
who
cuántas veces
participates,
ha participado,
when, how
y si
often,
le lanzamos la encuesta
and
podemos
if we
saber qué
launch this
satisfacción tiene a
survey,
nivel
we can
general,
know
¿verdad?
their satisfaction
Bueno, y además tenemos
level.
otra herramienta
And we also
esencial
have another
en este
important
proyecto, que es que el
tool
Centro
in this
Botín
process.
dispone de
Centro
todas las
Botín
tarjetas de amigo
has
y el
the
pase cántabro.
Fidelity
Con lo cual podemos
cards
saber
and what
de
they
alguna
call
manera
the
cuántas veces
Cantabro
ha
Pass.
venido
So we
alguien,
know
o si ha
how
participado,
often
o si
somebody
está
came,
más fidelizado o
or
menos
if
con el
they
Centro Botín.
come more or less often to the
Estas
Centro
tarjetas
Botín.
probablemente ya las
Those
conocéis.
cards, you probably
El pase
know them.
cántabro
The
se
Cantabro
obtiene
Pass
simplemente por venir
is just
por haber nacido
you get it just because
en
you were
Cantabria, soy
born
residente
in
en
Cantabria or you
es
live in
gratuito.
Cantabria. Is free.
El pase joven,
What we call the young
esto es muy interesante, el pase joven
pass.
implica ser menor de 25 años
below
o mayor de
25
65, o sea,
or
joven
above
físicamente o joven en
65.
espíritu.
You can
¿no?
be either young in your body or
Eso lo hemos
young in
aprendido
your
después, pero bueno,
mind
joven.
or spirit.
Joven en espíritu.
Young in spirit.
Los pases individuales
Individual
de
passes
26 a
from
64
26
años,
until
26 a
64,
65, perdón.
65
Los pases
years,
familiares que implican
family
que vienen
passes,
con las familias
so people come
y
with their
el
children,
pase premium que da
and the
acceso,
premium one
obviamente es más caro, pero da
is more
acceso también a
expensive, but it gives
muchas más
access
actividades.
to
¿no?
many more
Cada uno de
activities.
estos participantes del
All
Centro
those
Botín ya está
participants at Botín Center,
ya ha participado
they
de algo, ya tiene
had
ganas
already
de venir. ¿no?
attended to
Bueno,
some of
¿cuáles
the
son las
activities.
actividades que ha organizado el Centro
And what are
Botín
the
en este
activities
último año?
organized by
Pues tenemos aquí
the Centro Botín
actividades
last year?
abiertas,
We have
conciertos,
outdoor
muchísimos,
activities,
conferencias. Esto es
concerts,
durante el año
conferences.
que analizamos.
This was
Actividades de creación
2018.
colectiva,
Collective
visitas,
creation
espectáculos,
activities,
exposiciones,
visits,
proyecciones.
shows,
Bueno, obviamente la
exhibitions,
mayoría de las
films.
actividades están en
So the
conciertos
majority of the activities are concentrated
y
in
dentro de
concerts
visitas o exposiciones.
and
¿no?
in visits or
¿Por qué es
exhibitions.
importante
Why
esto?
is
Porque
this important?
actividades que se han hecho muy
Because
pocas veces
activities that were organized
tendrían que ser
on
muy
very
intensas en el
little
tiempo
occasions,
para que pudieran
they
tener
have
un
to be
efecto
very
mayor, ¿verdad?
intensive
Mientras que
in time
actividades que son
to have more
relativamente
impact,
ligeras, como
while
visitar una
activities
exposición,
that are
tendrán un
rather
impacto menor.
light as visiting an exhibition will also have a
Pues con
smaller
esta
impact.
premisa diseñamos la
So
encuesta.
we designed the
La
survey.
encuesta es un proyecto piloto que se
This is a
hizo
pilot
en una
project.
relación muy cercana junto con el centro, con
We
el Centro
organize
Botín,
it
donde intentamos
or designed
desarrollar
it
todos
with the
estos
Centro Botín.
aspectos. La
And
primera
we try to
parte es
develop
teníamos que
those
saber
elements. The first part,
la manera en la que se lanza
we
la
wanted-
encuesta es muy interesante
the
también,
way
porque
we
nosotros
launched the survey was very
conjuntamente
interesting.
diseñamos la encuesta,
We
pero es el
designed
Centro
the survey
Botín quien lo
together, but it
manda
was Centro
a
Botín,
todos estos
the one
amigos,
that
tarjetas de
sends
fidelización,
to
con lo cual
those
es
friends of the
perfectamente anónima.
center.
Nosotros como
So it's
investigadores no
anonymous.
tenemos ningún tipo de
We as
información
researchers
ni de
don't
sesgo
really
sobre
have
quién está
information
contestando
or
la encuesta, no
bias
sabemos nada.
about the participants of the survey.
La primera parte obviamente es
The
tener
first
algo de
part is
información
to have
sociodemográfica,
some
¿no?
sociodemographic
información
information,
sobre el género, la edad, dónde
gender,
viven, si
age,
trabajan, si
whether
están
they live, whether
relacionados
they
con el
work,
arte
if they
en
are
alguna medida,
related with
¿no?
art,
Aspectos que nos permitan saber
things that
si,
allow us to know
bueno, controlar si
or
su
to
experiencia,
control
perdón, si sus características personales van a
whether
determinar
their
o no la experiencia
personal
que van a tener.
characteristics will
Otro
determine
de
their
los elementos que
experience.
se incluyen en los
Another
aspectos
element
sociodemográficos es
in
la
this
presencia
first
de hijos
part
menores de
is
14
to have
años.
children
Os podéis imaginar
below
que
14 years of
el
age.
núcleo
You can
familiar o la
imagine
estructura
that the
familiar va a determinar en gran
families
medida o el tipo de tarjeta que van a tener
will
o el tipo de experiencia
determine the
que van a
type of
querer
card
disfrutar,
they
¿no?
get or the
Y
time of
después hay
experience
otros aspectos en
they
los que
choose.
intentamos saber
And then
cuál es el capital
we also wanted
cultural,
to know the
por decirlo
cultural
de alguna
capital
manera, ¿no? ¿Cuáles
they
son
have,
los hábitos de consumo
what are the
previos
previous
de
consumption
estos participantes?
patterns
Entonces
of
les
those
preguntamos si habían ido al cine,
participants, whether
si
they
habían ido al
went to a
teatro
movie,
o a
to
espectáculos,
the
al teatro, a
theater,
espectáculos de danza,
or
si habían
dance,
ido a exposiciones
whether they
previamente
had previously
o si
gone
habían
to
ido
exhibitions
a conciertos
or
o algún otro
concerts
tipo de actividad
or
cultural
some other
que nos
type of
quisieran
cultural
contar.
activity that
Y
they
les
wanted to
preguntábamos
report.
también
We
que nos
also
dijeran
asked
cuántas
them
veces habían ido.
how many times did they go.
Esto nos da a nosotros
This
la idea de
give us the
saber
idea
lo que contábamos en el
of
primer
knowing
gráfico,
what I said
cuánto
on
es
the
el
first
bagaje
graph.
cultural de esta
What is
persona
the
que le
cultural
permita
background of these people
disfrutar de las
that allows
actividades
them
del
to
Centro Botín
enjoy
más o menos.
more or less
El
the
tercer
activities in
elemento es
Centro
cuánto
Botín.
había
The
participado de
third
las
element
actividades del Centro
was
Botín.
the
Es
participation
decir, si había
in Centro
participado en
Botín
exposiciones,
activities.
cuántas veces había
In
venido,
it,
si había
if there were
participado
exhibitions, how many
de
times?
conferencias, a
If
cuántas
it
había
was
venido, si había
conferences,
venido a
how many?
espectáculos de teatro, a
If it was
cuántos,
theater,
¿verdad? Con lo cual
shows,
nosotros
how many?
en este
So,
punto
in
ya
this
podemos saber
part,
más o
we
menos
can
cuál ha
know
sido la
more or less
exposición a la
what
cultura,
has been the exposure to
aproximación,
culture.
obviamente,
It's just an
el acercamiento a la
approximation,
cultura de cada
but
uno de estos individuos, de cada una de
the
estas
approach
personas
to
que habían
culture
contestado
of
la
all those
encuesta.
individuals.
Y finalmente le hicimos preguntas
And
sobre el
finally,
impacto social.
we ask about
Si
social
se
impact,
encontraban mejor
whether they felt
en Santander,
better
si las
just
visitas
living
al
in
Centro
Santander,
Botín le
if
habían
visits
animado a
to
cambiar
Centro Botín
aspectos de su vida
have urged
personal,
them to
si las
change
visitas al Centro
parts
Botín le
of their
habían
personal
animado a hacer
life,
cambios en su
if
vida
they had just
profesional,
changed
si,
things in their professional life,
bueno, lo vamos a ver ahora,
and we
las
will see
distintas
it now,
preguntas, pero
the different
más
questions.
intentar conocer
But
cuál habían
it's
sido,
just
cómo
to
percibían el cambio.
see how they perceived change
Lanzamos
themselves.
la encuesta el 12 de
So the
marzo,
question was launched on the 12th of
cerramos la
March.
encuesta el 31 de marzo
It ended on the
y las
31st.
lanzamos, como os he comentado, a los
And,
distintos tipos de amigos.
as I said, to
Conseguimos
different types of Centro
2.852
Botín
respuestas válidas, de las
friends.
cuales
We
2.734 personas habían venido al Centro Botín.
2,852 valid
que no había venido
responses
nunca, con lo
and
cual,
a little less
salían directamente de la encuesta,
visitors
pero
of the
es muy
Centro
interesante
Botín.
saber
Some
cuál es el
people
hábito
answered
cultural
and
o
that
cuál es la
never
qué diferencia a
visited the
los
Centro Botín
no participantes
before.
de los participantes. Es decir, alguien que tiene el pase
Somebody
canta
that
pero no
has
viene
a
nunca,
pass
¿por qué no ha
but
venido? ¿No?
never came.
No
Why?
es parte de,
So
no es parte de la
that
presentación que
was-
tengo aquí, pero os puedo
it's not part
adelantar
of the
que los
presentation
hábitos
here, but I
culturales,
can tell you that the
los hábitos
cultural
de consumo cultural
pattern,
previo de los que
the
no habían
previous
venido nunca,
cultural
son mucho
patterns
menores
of
que los
those
que
that
ya
never
tenían un hábito cultural previo.
visited
Sí.
the center were smaller
Bueno, ¿qué nos encontramos
than
aquí?
the
¿Cuál es
rest.
el
What
perfil?
do we
Pues mirad,
find here? What's the
hay una
profile?
distribución de los que
There's a
contestan a la encuesta, hay una
of
distribución
respondents.
prácticamente equitativa
There
entre
is
hombres
an
y
equal
mujeres.
distribution
Vienen más
between
mujeres que
men
hombres, pero no hay
and
grandes diferencias.
women,
Eh,
little bit more
la
women,
mayoría
but not
viven en
main
Santander
difference.
o en
Majority of
Cantabria, la
them
gran
live in
mayoría en
Santander or
con
Cantabria.
niveles de estudio
The
relativamente altos,
studies are rather high,
universitarios o postuniversitarios,
university
y,
or postgraduate,
y hay un 50%
and
que
there's
trabajan y un
50%
50% que no
that work,
trabajan
and
o están
the other
jubilados.
50 they do
Que
not
el nivel de
work
estudios
or are
sea tan
retired.
alto
To have such a high
añade
level of education
al hábito cultural que
adds
ya habíamos
to
visto
the
antes.
cultural
Es decir, de
pattern.
alguna manera las teorías
So
del aprendizaje cultural
theories
lo
of
que nos
cultural
dicen es
learning
que bueno, podríamos
indicate that
que el
we
aprendizaje
can
de la
consider
cultura en sí
that
mismo
the
se
learning of
añade
culture
al capital humano de la
is
persona, ¿no?
added to the individual
la edad media de la muestra son 54 años.
The average age is 54
Sin embargo,
years,
es muy
but
interesante
it's
cómo
very
la
interesting
distribución en edades
how the age
nos muestra que hay mucha
distribution
gente joven,
shows
pero
that there
también
are also many
joven.
young people.
Sí, joven,
Yeah,
más joven.
36,
más joven.
45. Well, younger.
Porque tienen el pase joven.
Because they have the young pass. Do you remember that?
Que tienen de 30, la mayoría de la gente que
So
viene tiene
the
entre 36 y 65 años,
and 65,
no estamos aquí en este núcleo. De 46 a
From
65
46
prácticamente
to
lo más
65
amplio.
is the widest
Es
group.
muy interesante
It's very
porque podríamos
interesting.
pensar
We could
que
think
los mayores de 65
that
serían,
those
porque son los que
above
tienen más tiempo
65, those
disponible,
that
los que
have more
más
time available,
vendrían.
they
Vienen
should
en gran
come
medida,
more.
pero
They
también hay
do,
mucha gente que es
but there
menor
are also
y que también
people
viene.
that are
Y
younger
luego
and
veis
also
cómo
come.
entre los que
And
vienen
we
y están
see
entre
between
55 y
those that
65
come
hay
between
muchos que no trabajan,
56 and 65, there are many
jubilados o que prefieren
that do not
trabajar,
work,
etcétera.
early retirement or some other situations.
¿Cuáles son los hábitos previos
What are
de
the
consumo
previous
cultural? Pues fijaos, la
cultural
mayoría van
consumption
al cine,
patterns? The majority
muchos
just
van a
go to the movies,
exposiciones,
many go
algunos
to
a
exhibitions,
conciertos, y
some
muy
to
pocos a actividades
concerts,
de teatro y danza.
and very few to theater and
Lo más
dance
interesante de
activities.
todo esto es que la
What is
mayoría de la
interesting
gente
is that
que
the majority of people
consultamos había venido al centro
in the
Botín
survey
más de 4
had
veces. O sea, que ya
visited the
tenemos
Botín
un
Center on more than 4
recorrido
occasions.
sobre esto.
So that's also very
Habían
interesting
venido, la
information.
mayoría habían
The
venido a
majority came to
exposiciones o a
exhibitions
conciertos,
or
pero muchos
concerts,
otros han venido al
but many
cine,
others came
han
to
venido
the
a visitas
movies,
comentadas, a visitas
to
experiencias,
guided
es decir, que
visits,
son
other
estos no
types of
son
visits,
excluyentes, es decir, pueden haber
and
venido a una
they
exposición y a un
can
concierto y ser
have
la
come
misma
to
persona,
an
¿no?
exhibition and to a concert,
Y han venido más de una
and they
vez.
came more than once.
Obviamente no hay tantos cursos,
So
con lo
there
cual la
aren't all
mayoría no
those
han venido,
courses,
han venido a un
so the
curso,
majority
no
just
han venido a uno y
attended to
medio,
one
no lo
course.
dejan a medias, han venido a uno. A los talleres también han
The
venido a uno o
workshops,
a
they
dos,
came just to one or
proyecciones de
two,
cine a dos o a tres, actividades de danza,
films
teatro
2 to
dos, pero
3,
veis, exposiciones,
dance 2,
la
but
mayoría
as
han
you can
venido
see,
alrededor de 3
exhibitions,
veces. Es
the
muy
majority
interesante
came
cómo son
like 3
clientes,
times.
clientes
So
participantes muy
they
habituales.
are,
¿Cuál es el cambio que vimos? ¿No? ¿Cuál es
they
el cambio que
participate
vemos?
very
Esos son
often.
grandes
What is
números.
the change?
Muchos consideran que han vivido
Many
un cambio
consider that they
personal,
have lived a personal change.
aprenden a valorar el
They
proceso
learn to
artístico y
value
creativo
artistic
y
and
quieren
creative
volver a
process,
visitar otros centros
and
de
they
arte, o sea
want
que el centro
to
Botín sí
come
que
and
genera
visit
este
other
crecimiento no
art
solamente
centers.
sobre sí
So there
mismos,
is a
sino
growth
sobre otros.
in this interest,
Hicieron nuevos
not
amigos,
only
o sea,
related to
hacer
Centro
amigos en
Botín,
un
but to
centro de
other
arte es muy
art
complicado,
centers.
porque
To make friends in
no vienes a hacer amigos,
art
¿no?
center is
Pero
very
un
complicated.
8% nos
It
dijeron
doesn't
que
always
venían a
happen,
hacer
but
amigos,
8% said that they
miraban
came to
alrededor, la
make new
mitad
friends.
empezaron a mirar alrededor con una nueva perspectiva,
They
el
started to have a new
84%
perspective,
tiene
50%,
muchas ganas de volver
84%
al
is
Centro Botín.
willing to come back.
Esto es muy interesante,
They are
el
willing.
orgullo sobre Santander
The
crece
pride
muchísimo, o
about
se demuestra
Santander
que ha crecido muchísimo,
has grown
y
a lot,
muchos declaran simplemente
71%,
sentirse mejor
and many just said that
y
they
que
felt
han
better
disfrutado mucho de
and
las
they had
actividades.
enjoyed
Esto es a lo que
the
les decía, no
activities a
solamente
lot.
creatividad
So it's not
como
only
hacer cambios,
creativity
sino
as
creatividad
making
como crear
changes,
el
but
caldo de cultivo
creativity
para generar estos
as
cambios.
creating the right environment.
Esto es parte del análisis que os comentaba
This is part
antes.
of the
Fijaos,
analysis.
con el número de
As you can see, with the
visitas
number of visits,
empieza a aumentar la probabilidad
start
de
increasing the
que
likelihood
generes, de que empieces a mejorar,
to start
perdón,
improving
que valores mejor el
of
arte.
valuing more
Aumenta
art.
la probabilidad
It
de que
increases
consideres
the
el proceso productivo, que
likelihood
entiendas el proceso productivo de
of
los
you to
artistas,
understand
que canalices
artist
tus
creative
emociones
process,
hacia acciones creativas,
that you are able
que
to
utilices la
channel
creatividad
creative
para
actions,
afrontar
that you use
situaciones
creativity to
cotidianas,
face daily
incluso
life,
para que empieces a
and
hacer
also
cambios
that you
profesionales.
start introducing
Obviamente
professional
las magnitudes
changes.
son distintas,
Obviously the
¿no?
magnitudes are
Porque
different.
hacer un cambio
To
profesional
make
después de haber
a
venido
professional change
al Centro
after
Botín,
coming to Centro Botín,
claro,
well,
sobre todo teniendo solo un año
that's
de
difficult
actividad,
only with a
es un
year.
recorrido largo,
It's
¿no?
something
Pero
that
fijaos cómo
requires
aún así
a
alguien que haya
longer
venido
period of
5
time. But
veces
somebody that came
tiene un
5 times,
12% de
they have
probabilidades de hacer ese
12%
cambio, ¿no?
probabilities to make this change, and that's very
Preguntas que les
interesting.
hicimos,
Now,
además
what
de
are the
estas,
questions
si
in
habían hecho
addition to
nuevos
the ones I've
amigos,
introduced?
si
Whether they
disfrutaban
made
de
new
las actividades
friends,
del Centro
whether they
Botín, si
enjoy
habían mejorado
Centro
en el bienestar,
Botín
si se
activities, whether
encontraban
the
mejor en
well-being
Santander,
had improved,
cambios en su vida
if they
profesional,
liked
si habían
Santander more,
explorado
changes
nuevas
in their
ideas y
professional
el interés
life,
en nuevas
exploring
actividades.
new ideas and
Juntamos
interest
todas
in new
estas e
activities.
hicimos un indicador.
We collected all of them,
¿Vale?
and we made an indicator.
Este indicador, ¿veis? Lo utilizamos
This is the
todo de
indicator.
manera, es una media,
This is
una media sencilla,
a
porque,
simple
bueno, complicaba
average.
mucho.
because it would have been very complicated otherwise. And this indicator varies from 1 to 4. The average is 2.11, and the standard deviation is 0.78, which is quite good. But the learning, this indicator here, grows while they start coming to the Botín Center, and people comes with a habit, a cultural life, and every time they visit the Botín Center, it continues growing. How much does it increase? This was also an interesting point. Around 4, it increases 0.17. Each one of the visits increases 0.17, around 10%, compared with the original level, depending on the activities they performed. When we started seeing the activities with the bigger impact, we needed to broaden the research a little bit more. What happened when they came to do exhibitions or to workshops? In this analysis, where we see that the workshops have a very high impact compared to theater and dance, this is influenced by the number of activities developed by the Botín Center. If there are less activities of theater or dance, their impact will be lesser. So we asked a more concrete question. What happened each time you went to a visit or to visit an exhibition? And we saw that each time someone comes to a workshop, their creativity increases more than if they come to a concert. Everything I'm telling you, it's rather intuitive, but you have the numbers here. These are the results. Results are results. That's one thing one of my colleagues says. So what can I tell you about this research? Well, the results. Each of the activities have an impact. They generate change in the visitors. Secondly, it's a learning process. The more they come to the Botín Center, the more they change, and the more they are willing to make these changes. And in average, each visit increases 10% their creativity. Workshops are the activities with the highest impact, and also that the cultural past, their cultural past has also an influence on the impact. Coming back to the theories we talked about in the beginning, we can see that the Botín Center, it's a creativity drive. This experience asset provided by the Botín Center generates these changes that they expect to have in their visitors. And this is determined by how the experiences are designed. Thank you very much. Well, I just wanted to tell you that, as Patricia said, this is very recent. We have been working in the Botín Center for only 1 year, and for us this is fundamental to develop the next activities we are going to have. For example, through these we know that we need to have more dance, more theater, we need to bring more teens into the center. Now we know how to adapt the specific needs to the program of the Botín Center. Questions? What advice would you give to incorporate in families the development of day-to-day emotional intelligence?
I'm sorry, I missed the first part.
Which advice would you give to include in families the development of day-to-day or everyday emotional intelligence?
Start with emotion vocabulary and with basic conversations around helping children to express exactly what it is they're feeling. I think that parents want to be able to help their children find ways to regulate and to handle stress and to handle disappointments, which means that you have, but how the strategies to handle something like stress, right? Reducing the number of obligations you have, or learning how to say no to things, or asking for help, are very different than how you would handle something like pressure, which is performing in a moment, right? Getting an A on a test, or kicking a goal in soccer, which require practice and positive self-talk and maybe calming strategies. And so helping your children to be very granular in exactly what it is they're experiencing is the first step to being able to help them with effective strategies. And those conversations are the beginning of all of it. And in fact, just the act of labeling has regulating effects on people.
Thank you. Aquí hay una que me parece súper interesante, perdona.
There's one here which I find it's very interesting. I've thought about it for a while.
Los niños aprenden inteligencia emocional a través
the
del
method
arte.
you applied, children learn emotional intelligence through arts. But do they learn art?
¿Les enseñáis aspectos relevantes
Do
sobre el
they
artista
teach
o la
them
propia obra?
relevant aspects of the artist or the piece of art?
So there was no requirement of art knowledge or of art skill. Art served as the medium through which they learned creativity and emotional intelligence skills. But I do hope, and it was kind of a secondary, but certainly a hope, that they walked away with some art knowledge and some sense of the pleasure of art making and of experiencing art and art observation.
Sí, y aquí añado yo porque es un debate que hemos tenido enorme, ¿no?
I want
Es
to
decir, que
add,
nosotros
it's a
empecemos
debate
a hacer que el arte sea el medio para mejorar la vida de las personas, no quiere decir que el conocimiento del arte no lo valoremos por encima de todo. Es decir, una obra, como ha explicado Jessica, puede ser el medio para, pero al final de ese trabajo, sea el público que sea,
that
sabe
art can
quién es
be
el
the mean, but it's
artista, qué
important
es
for
lo
us
que
that the
quería
public
trabajar
know
con esa
who
obra
the
y
artist was,
participan
what he
del
wanted
arte
or
en
he or
sí
she
mismo,
wanted to
del
convey
placer del arte.
through their
Esto lo
art
llevamos
and
haciendo
enjoy
desde
art.
mucho, desde
And we have
hace
been doing
15 años cuando empezamos a trabajar en los
many
colegios
years, and 15 years working with students with the Reflejarte research
ha salido aquí en estos días. Es
program.
Pablo Tiño, creo que
And Pablo Tiño, I think,
es no
mentioned
poner esa cartela,
that
es dejar el impacto
that idea of
inicial,
you
¿no?
don't
Incluso
put, you
hacer
don't
motivación
place the
previa a la sala
card
del arte,
beside
hablando
the
de otras
picture.
temáticas que pongan a la
So
persona en
so
la
it's
situación
open.
idónea para llegar a visitar esa exposición.
And
Pero
we try to
conocer la
place the
exposición
people in
por sí
the
mismos,
right
a posteriori
position,
nuestros mediadores,
so they
que son
can
formadores
know
en
about the
arte y en
about the
inteligencia
exhibition.
emocional y
And we have our
creatividad, ellos
mediators who
van
know about
desgranando la obra de arte, el
creativity
artista,
and
el motivo,
emotional intelligence, and they explain about the artist. So it's a combined knowledge. Sorry for interjecting.
Pasó desde que se comenzó con esta propuesta hasta que obtuvieron resultados?
How long did it take to get results since the beginning?
¿Cuáles son los pasos a nivel científico para hacer una investigación de estas características y poder publicarla?
Which are the steps at scientific level to carry out this kind of investigations and being able to publish them?
Well, so we began writing the courses in 2013, and over 2014 and 15, I was fortunate enough to travel here a few times to work with a set of facilitators in the Art Center and train them on the material that was provided in the courses, and then they were provided to the groups that we studied, so years. The short answer is years. Yeah, I think now that we have developed a system, Fatima mentioned in the intro that we started with creating a theoretical model of how emotional intelligence and creativity and the arts are all connected. Now that we have that model and a framework, I think we can move at a faster pace of creating new things and learning from the research of Patricia about what we need. Yeah. But it takes a lot of time and effort to get all the way through a whole study through publication.
Yo le voy a pedir solo, please, Sorana, 10 seconds, but get a microphone, because Sorana me mandó un correo electrónico cuando publicamos nuestro segundo, tercer artículo, y me dijo, Fátima, no pienses que el mundo científico es así, no, diciendo es que no creo que tu cabeza no es capaz de entender la importancia que tiene esto y lo rápido que está sucediendo. Yo creo que era esa parte de la innovación.
And how fast it's going. Sorana, I don't know if you can. I give the floor to you.
First started publishing these papers, we were very fortunate that it got published very quickly, but the world of scientific publishing is very, very slow, and oftentimes, even from the point that you have the paper written to the publication, it takes a year or even longer, and that's not even counting running the participants and doing the analyses. We were very fortunate with the first papers, like Fatima said, that they got published very quickly. So I was a little bit worried, because if you get an impression that this gets published very quickly, it's going to, at some point, be disappointing. But the data were very good, so we were fortunate that way.
Thank you, Sorana. ¿Puede este informe dar información al Centro Botín sobre cómo llegar a aquellos que no acceden, a los que no tienen formación universitaria, a los grupos en riesgo de exclusión o excluidos? ¿Se podría hacer un estudio sobre ausencias? Bueno, absolutamente, lo he dicho cuando he subido, he respondido, creo que la respuesta es nuestro reto. Nuestro reto son los que no están. Los tratamos muy bien, los queremos muy bien y queremos que disfruten, pero son sobre todo los que no están. Ese es el reto de
risk of exclusion.
¿Sí? Jessica.
This is for Jessica.
¿Necesito ser o es necesario ser creativo en la vida para vivir?
Do I need to be creative to live?
¿O no? ¿Puede un niño ser feliz y desarrollarse como persona sin creatividad?
Can a child be happy and develop as a person without creativity?
Question. It's a big question. I think my answer to the first part would be yes, that I think you need creativity. When we talk about creativity, we don't just mean through the arts or through music or theater, we mean everyday problem solving and coming up with new ways to do things as our society continues to change. And I think in discussions that we had last night and throughout the past 2 days, we've, I think, had some consensus around the fact that you have to have that flexibility. Our world moves very quickly, and we have to all learn how to be adaptable. I think that the clinical psychologist in me says that potentially as a child you could be happy without creativity right up until the first time that something went wrong, or that there was a frustration or a stressor in your life. And some children are fortunate to make it pretty far into life before that happens. But we want to build in creative problem solving, because whether it's when you're 4 that you come up against a challenge or when you're 30, at some point there will be stress and disappointment in your life, and you want to have the skills to handle it adaptively.
Bueno, yo creo que hasta aquí le voy a pedir a Marina que suba para dar las indicaciones siguientes, porque yo tengo que ir a otra cosa un momentito. Pero quiero cerrar esto con esta pregunta que me ha parecido también fantástica. Cuando nosotros presentamos en 2014 el informe Artes y Emociones que potencian la creatividad, quien introdujo esa presentación que le hicimos en Madrid fue Albert Boadella. Y Albert Boadella decía, porque nosotros decíamos, se puede, quisimos ser un poco provocadores, es decir, se puede vivir sin arte.
We said, we asked, can you live without art? And Albert Boadella, an artist, Spanish artist, said that you can live without art, you can live without smiling, you can live without thinking. So, yes, you can live without art, but